Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a TikTok video into your WhatsApp status. The steps are pretty simple. All you have to do is tap on this share icon right here and tap on status. Now, when this pops up, you want to look for WhatsApp in this row right here. If you found it, just tap on that. But if not, then tap on this three dots right here and then choose WhatsApp. Now you can go ahead and tap My Status. Next. And there you have it. You can adjust the clips, enter any caption you'd like, and tap Send. That would automatically upload your TikTok video into your WhatsApp status. Let's go ahead and check. Let's open WhatsApp. And there you have it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.